I saw a bird with a yellow bill, with a yellow bill, with a fractured bill, with a yellow bill, with a fractured bill, with a fractured ankle. With a yellow bill, with a fractured bill, with a fractured ankle, rolling with a fractured ankle. With a yellow bill, with a fractured bill, with a fractured ankle, rolling with a fractured ankle, rolling downhill with a fractured ankle, rolling downhill with a fractured ankle. Rolling downhill with a fractured ankle. Rolling downhill means a fractured ankle. Rolling downhill with a fractured ankle. Rolling downhill means a fractured ankle. Rolling downhill means a fractured ankle, stupid. Rolling downhill with a fractured ankle. Rolling downhill means a fractured ankle. Rolling downhill means a fractured ankle, stupid. Rolling downhill means a fractured skull, stupid. Rolling downhill with a fractured ankle. Rolling downhill means a fractured ankle. Rolling downhill means a fractured ankle, stupid. Rolling downhill means a fractured skull, stupid. Dancing downhill means a fractured skull, stupid. Rolling downhill with a fractured ankle. Rolling downhill means a fractured ankle. Rolling downhill means a fractured ankle, stupid. Rolling downhill means a fractured skull, stupid. Dancing downhill means a fractured skull, stupid. Dancing along means a fractured skull, stupid. Rolling downhill with a fractured ankle. Rolling downhill means a fractured ankle. Rolling downhill means a fractured ankle, stupid. Rolling downhill means a fractured skull, stupid. Dancing downhill means a fractured skull, stupid. Dancing along means a fractured skull, stupid. Prancing along means a fractured skull, stupid. Fractured ankle. Rolling downhill means a fractured ankle. Rolling downhill means a fractured ankle, stupid. Rolling downhill means a fractured skull, stupid. Dancing downhill means a fractured skull, stupid. Dancing along means a fractured skull, stupid. Prancing along means a fractured skull, stupid. Prancing along means a fractured skull. Prancing along means a fractured skull. Prancing along means a fractured skull. Prancing outside means a fractured skull. Prancing along means a fractured skull. Prancing outside means a fractured skull. Nudity outside means a fractured skull. Prancing along means a fractured skull. Prancing outside means a fractured skull. Nudity outside means a fractured skull. Nudity outside means a fractured reputation. Prancing along means a fractured skull. Prancing outside means a fractured skull. Nudity outside means a fractured skull. Nudity outside means a fractured reputation. Nudity outside means a destroyed reputation. Prancing along means a fractured skull. Prancing outside means a fractured skull. Nudity outside means a fractured skull. Nudity outside means a fractured reputation. Nudity outside means a destroyed reputation. Nudity outside means no reputation. Prancing along means a fractured skull. Prancing outside means a fractured skull. Nudity outside means a fractured skull. Nudity outside means a fractured reputation. Nudity outside means a destroyed reputation. Nudity outside means no reputation. Nudity outside means no warmth. Prancing along means a fractured skull. Prancing outside means a fractured skull. Nudity outside means a fractured skull. Nudity outside means a fractured reputation. Nudity outside means a destroyed reputation. Nudity outside means no reputation. Nudity outside means no warmth. Sleeping 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 outside means no food. Sleeping outside means no warmth. Sleeping outside means no food. Sleeping outside means no sleep. Sleeping outside means no warmth. Sleeping outside means no food. Sleeping outside means no sleep. Sleeping outside means disturbed sleep. Sleeping outside means no warmth. Sleeping outside means no food. Sleeping outside means no sleep. Sleeping outside means disturbed sleep. Sleeping outside means disturbed sleep tonight. Sleeping outside means no warmth. Sleeping outside means no food. Sleeping outside means no sleep. Sleeping outside means disturbed sleep. Sleeping outside means disturbed sleep tonight. Sleeping outside means disturbed dreams tonight. Sleeping outside means no warmth. Sleeping outside means no food. Sleeping outside means no sleep. Sleeping outside means disturbed sleep. Sleeping outside means disturbed sleep tonight. Sleeping outside means disturbed dreams tonight. Sleeping outside means vivid dreams tonight. Sleeping outside means no warmth. Sleeping outside means no food. Sleeping outside means no sleep. Sleeping outside means disturbed sleep. Sleeping outside means disturbed sleep tonight. Sleeping outside means disturbed dreams tonight. Sleeping outside means vivid dreams tonight. Sleeping outside undoes dreams tonight. Sleeping outside. Sleeping outside means no food. Sleeping outside means no sleep. Sleeping outside means disturbed sleep. Sleeping outside means disturbed sleep tonight. Sleeping outside means disturbed dreams tonight. Sleeping outside means vivid dreams tonight. Sleeping outside undoes dreams tonight. Running outside undoes dreams tonight. Sleeping outside. Sleeping outside means no food. Sleeping outside means no sleep. Sleeping outside means disturbed sleep. Sleeping outside means disturbed sleep tonight. Sleeping outside means disturbed dreams tonight. Sleeping outside means vivid dreams tonight. Sleeping outside undoes dreams tonight. Running outside undoes dreams tonight. Running outside undoes ankles tonight. Running outside undoes ankles tonight. Running outside undoes ankles tonight. Running outside fractures ankles tonight. Running outside undoes ankles tonight. Running outside fractures ankles tonight. Falling outside fractures ankles tonight. Running outside undoes ankles tonight. Running outside fractures ankles tonight. Falling outside fractures ankles tonight.
Falling outside breaks ankles tonight.
Running outside fractures ankles tonight. Running outside fractures ankles tonight. Falling outside fractures ankles tonight. Falling outside breaks ankles tonight.
Falling outside breaks ankles.
Running outside fractures ankles tonight. Running outside fractures ankles tonight. Falling outside fractures ankles tonight. Falling outside breaks ankles tonight. Falling outside breaks ankles.
Falling over breaks ankles.
Running outside fractures ankles tonight. Running outside fractures ankles tonight. Falling outside breaks ankles tonight. Falling outside breaks ankles. Falling over breaks ankles.
Falling from breaks ankles. Falling from breaks ankles.
Falling from breaks ankle.
Falling from ledges breaks ankles.
Falling from breaks ankle. Falling from ledges breaks ankle.
Falling from trees breaks ankles.
Falling from breaks ankle. Falling from ledges breaks ankle. Falling from trees breaks ankle.
Falling from trees breaks ankles, stupid. Thank you.